That's the sound of money. Fresh, printed money. That's the sound of money. Fresh, printed money.
10K. To be honest, I haven't done any video about road to 10K in a while. That's because the market has not permitted me to. It's tough times out here now, but as you can see now, everything is down. Like a lot of stocks, almost every stock is down. On my list right now, if you're not Apple or Bristol Myers, Ford, you are down a lot. And I'm sure other people probably down on the stocks depending the price they bought it on. But I've been sitting the sideline for a while now, and I noticed the prices are really low now, and most of the things are on sale. So I decided starting this month, I'm gonna start buying it slowly, and I'm gonna be building on mostly on the stocks I already have. So if anything, I'm gonna average down by cost averaging down, me buying more of the same stock. If I bought for $10 before, now I'm getting it for $8 or $5. My average will be a little bit lower and it'll look a little better. Having said that, most of the stocks are great stocks. It's just that recession, whatever's going on, everything together, that's why they're down. So eventually they're gonna come back up. So it's time for me to start putting money in again. So as we could go down here, so far you can see Apple. I'm still up a little bit on Apple. I'm down on Amazon. I'm still up on Bristol Myers. Clayfield Asset Management. That's one stock I need to be putting a little bit more money in because I'm sure it's gonna go back to $80, no problem. Probably to 100. And as we go down, you can see all the red everywhere. But you can't sit on the sideline and say everything's are going bad because nobody know where the bottom is if you're trying to catch a bottom and bounce right up. So you might as well start averaging from here on. It's market is down a lot, so I don't see how it's gonna go say like another 100% down where it is now because a lot of people are hurting, and this is what it is, the stock market. It goes down, it goes back up, but if you're trying to catch it on the bottom, it never really works out. So if you think whatever stock you have is on sale now, you might as well go ahead and start picking up some. Just don't pick up everything at once. Buy in slowly, and hopefully everything gets back to where it's supposed to be, and we can all start making money together again. So bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.